Hello people, welcome back to another video. Hope you're all doing good. Thank you very much for 200 subscribers. Very happy with that. Hope you like the content. Got plenty more to come. You notice from now on we're going to do much longer videos, 10 to 15 minutes. I think that's a good length. From now on it's going to be me working on the cars, a little bit of buying and selling, but mainly me working on the cars because I think you'll all enjoy that more, me getting angry and dirty. So we'll see how we crack on, but yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Look forward to the next clip. So this car I'm going to be working on, this is my A3 2009. Got to strip down the ebb, take the airbox out, take the battery out, disconnect that, take the battery tray out, and then the ABS pump is just down there. And hopefully not going to take the lines off so I don't have to bleed it. Take the electric module off, replace it. Got a new one just in the box, and then hopefully that fixes our problem. Might need coding. This is going to be quite difficult to film, but start by removing the battery. Make sure this is nice and loose. We got a Halfords Advanced set, absolutely awesome. It's a bit hard doing it one-handed. Remove the battery, move the airbox out of the way, one bolt just there, loosen that until it pops out, and it's on a bong just there, so you pop that out, use quite a bit of force. Shunned in the battery tray now, and then the ABS pump is just there. I know it's a really common fault with these cars, so this video should be quite useful to quite a lot of people, to be fair, so hope you enjoy. That is the battery tray out of the way, battery tray and the battery lock guard. So now we've got access to ABS pump, so we've got to undo this one, and I'll have a look at the new part. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 to undo, and a little torques. The idea of unbolting the electric part from the ABS pump and replacing this with a working part is so you don't have to bleed the brakes again. So I'm just unbolting this. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, and then obviously take this off and then take the old one off the old one and then change it, and I'll show you when I get to that part. So I've decided not to take the electric bit off because the bolts are too difficult to get to on this, because you've got one there, and then one there, and then one the other side and it's hidden. So I've sprayed the brake lines in WD-40 for the last 3 days to make sure they come undone, and luckily they all come undone. So I'm just undoing the brake lines now. Careful, because brake fluid will leak everywhere and you make a mess. So make sure you get a rag or something, so soak up the brake fluid. So I'm just undoing these now, and I'll get back to you, and I'm just changing the pump. So I'm just undoing the ABS pipes now off the ABS pump. I'm getting quite a lot of fluid out, so this will probably happen to you when you do it. So you just need to get a rag, and I'll put a towel under the car. Just unbolting the ABS pump now from the actual mounting bracket. Just there's a 10mm bolt. I've undone all the pipes. Just gonna remove the bolt. Yeah, it's finger tight now. Remove the mounting bracket bolt. I think it's a bracket. And then the ABS pump come out. So I've installed the new ABS pump. I'm just tightening all the brake lines up now. Be careful not to cross-thread them when you do it, because you don't want to cross-thread them, because then you have to replace them. It's a pain in the arse. So be careful when you're putting them back in. I'll show you now. basically the new pump, which is over there, had the wrong thread on it. So basically the faulty part was the electric module of the pump. So I took the old pump off, undid the 4 bolts for the electric module off the new pump, and then changed the electric module, tightened the 4 bolts up, and then obviously fitted it. You have to be careful of the brake lines, you have to wiggle it under around the clutch line, and then you plug it in with the electric plug. You pull it out, it's a sliding plug, so you pull it out and then it comes off. Pull out the this thing just there, and it kind of, you pull it along and then pull the plug off, and then done all these up. Basically the other pump is the wrong thread, so I've done these all up tightly, and I just need to bleed the brakes. But yeah, it's not actually that difficult a job. I know it's a very, very common problem on these cars, so I know this would help a lot of people. Yeah, I'd say it could be done in about 1 to 2 hours, but definitely WD-40 the brake lines multiple times before you take them off, or they might snap. Also, sorry to interrupt, you'll notice that the clips for this video for changing ABS pump were filmed over 2 days, because on day 1 I spent hours and hours on it trying to get the new pump to thread. Obviously that's what I realised on day 2, that the thread was wrong for the first pump. That's why I went back to swap the electric module over to the original pump, because that's the bit that failed, and obviously it thrown it straight away. So while I got angry and fed up myself, I went off to the arcade. So I put a clip in from the arcades, went and won some things at the arcades for a couple of hours. That was quite good fun, just kind of de-stress and de-escalate the situation. But yeah, Kirsty, see you all in a bit. Boom! Hopefully I can get the brakes for the Audi bled and that, to get it back on the road ASAP, because I need a car. But yeah, thank you everyone for watching the video. I really appreciate all of you. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, subscribe, and stay tuned for what's to come. Like I said in the last video, I've got an awesome project car coming soon, which we're going to be doing loads of work on, and so make sure you stay tuned for what's to come. Yeah, thank you. Boom.